its entrance. We started our journey, guys. Somewhere down the road. I really like the smell. Morning dew. Yeah, that's really good. I know. My husband loved this. Yeah, and my daughter too. They love nature, guys. I want to go back Cameron Highland. There's a park also can work like this. Yeah, I like a park. Yeah, I've been there once, but I never go in no short time. Just only limited time that time when I'm go Cameron Highland. Just only going to the garden and the lavender garden, something like the strawberry. Take it slowly, guys.
Ai khủ đều đó.
Come, she's falling. Where's the way? You just follow the. Yeah, you also first time here this one here. Yeah, first adventure hiking in Malaysia. Yeah, I love it. We just set next adventure. Hi. Good morning. Oh, your tongue.
It is slippery.
Much for the waiting for the slippery. Oh guys, in Anisha, first time na ako sa Malaysia na hiking. And this
with very long already. I think 20 years ago.
Oh, too long.
Very long already.
I'm very excited with this coming September.
That time, what I do? I don't know why. Slippery. I fell down.
Oh.
My arm hurt.
Oh my goodness.
Really hurt.
Yeah.
And
You wear shoes wet.
it took around a year.
To recover your knee.
Oh.
Oh my God. Oh really? You're falling down very. Oh my goodness.
Then after,
Mm.
I go many places St. Jude,
Oh,
acupuncture, all that.
acupuncture. Yeah.
Then only can recover.
The healing, fast healing. 80%.
20% still not that good.
But at least,
What's that?
what? This one?
Return.
Yeah. I think next time we just wear the black shoes. Especially this one, it's rainy days.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Maybe right.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next time we wear black.
My sister there.
Yeah. For the hiking, so better to wear the shoes like there was a for really for hiking shoes. There's a hiking shoes. Because last night, guys.
Shopee, Lazada. Very cheap one.
Huh.
Less than $10.
Oh, that's good, huh?
Or $7.90 something.
Shopee. For the delivery. Wow, it's very fast this. Okay, let them pass. Hello.
Oh!
Show Sheng Hao. Wow, the shoes is for hiking. The wearing shoes, hiking shoes. So at least you can move fast for the hiking shoes. Too excited.
Lại chiếc tàu à? Chiếc tàu. Nó xoay lại chiếc tàu à? Hả? Chiều y chỉnh á. Có ngâm y xoay chỉnh đó.